Well, Perplexity has one really cool feature called Perplexity Shortcut. So basically, you can create a prompt or instruction and you can reuse the same prompt over and over again on your next session. This will save time. But unfortunately, when I'm recording this video, this shortcut feature is still only available in the Comet browser. However, I found a way to actually create and use a shortcut directly in Perplexity, even without using the Comet browser. So let me show you how you can use it. First, you need to navigate to perplexity.ai, and after that, to create a shortcut, you can type the / character, and it will bring you this menu. Click Create a Shortcut. So I actually have created a shortcut that I want to use to force AI to answer in a numbered list or bullet list format. So I'm going to call this one list. And for the instruction, this is the prompt that I'm going to use. You can click Advanced and you can adjust the mode, the model, and also you can choose the sources of the information. In this case, I'm going to use, let's say, let me check the other option, Cloud Sonnet 4.5. Let's try that one. And I will select web and social. Now I'm going to click save, and there you go. Now the shortcut has been created and you can actually manage the shortcut if you are using the Comet browser. So if you open the menu right here and if you navigate to the shortcuts menu, it will actually force you to download the Comet browser. So yeah, the setting or the management for the shortcut is not yet available on the regular browser, but at least we can still generate the shortcut directly in any browser. Now I'm going to ask Perplexity about, let's say, latest news about RAM shortage, and I'm going to use the shortcut, which is / and then list. Hit enter, and I can send a message. There you go. So even though I didn't use the Comet browser, I can still use the shortcut feature in Perplexity. But the only downside is that we cannot manage the shortcut. We still need to use the Comet browser if you want to change or delete the shortcut from your Perplexity account. So that's one annoying limitation, but again, at least it is now usable. So yeah, that's how you can use the shortcut, aka the reusable prompt feature in Perplexity AI. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.